Hello, everybody. I'm picking this. Dang it! I forgot I freaking broke it. I just threw it so far I didn't want to do it. I'm a monster. Maya here again. It tastes kind of good and tastes kind of not. Num num num. Yucky! Num num num. Yucky! Num num num. Yucky! I'm here with another video. Apparently I took a very long break on videos. A pair of them. Have me a juice! I kind of just do that all the time. I kind of just wipe my mouth when I get juice on it. If you don't know what this is something they put your popsicles in, so they will, so all the juice will just go right down here. I always wanted to make my own popsicles, but we don't have a cupper holder thing, and that's what you need to make them. Go away, fly! Go away. It's a fly. I know who can do the job. Giant bird! I'm gonna eat you, fly! I can't even eat them. Go away, fly! Nah. It's kind of tastes like broccoli. Remember, guys, I just need to tell you this. If you have a lot of sugar or a lot of treats, I just want to do that. And then you got these kind of popsicles. It'll taste like freaking broccoli. If you hate broccoli, I like only the tops of them. Sometimes I like things in juice. I have these kind. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. I like doing that. Let me just put it behind here. I say I don't want it. I think it's gonna be okay. I have another video for you. Hello. I showed my underwear. I love it in my underwear. I don't know what color it is. Oh yeah, this blue stuff and greeny. Yucky. Today I got a surprise for you. Dang it! I think I might have accidentally showed up on screen. But first I need to get some scissors. So let me try to find some scissors. Are there any scissors? Just a second, guys. I'll be right back. Wait, that's a surprise. Boop. Boop, boop. No, I'm not going to show you. Chopkins! Everything's safe, everyone's safe. Just kidding. You might not know what Shopkins are, and they are probably not everybody's favorite thing. It's my first time getting these. Let me call Kira down for her stuff. Kira, you can come down now with your Shopkins. That's okay. Kids, you can have your popsicle just for the Shark King's down.
I've heard of the Shark King's down. Go now. I'm gonna get
Is this the only one? Where is it?
you.
Ow. Apparently Kira was still having her popsicle, and it's not very good if Kira had. So these are the ones that Kira had. A little brush and a little smoothie cake thing.
Hi, Maya.
Also, I already opened some of it.
Hi.
Hi, Ava. Ava, you can play down here or turn on the TV.
Ava,
Ava, do you want to turn on the TV?
no.
Ava, I'm playing with those. Let's pick that off and pick these up. We're gonna have to cut this. But I'm gonna do it very careful. No, I'm not. Because I'm crazy. Ava, you're silly.
I'm not easy.
No, you.
No, you.
Broke it. And come on! Break and get off. Wait. I didn't even freaking need to cut it off. This thing is stupid.
I'm not
Sorry.
stupid.
No, I wasn't talking to you, Ava. Sorry guys that I said stupid. I'm just having a very bad problem with this. Got me angry. Usually I say that when things like that happen. Very bad. So I'm very, very sorry that I said that. I'm gonna have to freaking cut this whole thing. I don't freaking wanna. Sorry with you kids at home that can't watch kids that say or people that say bad words. Sorry. If you really like my channel. Sorry. I'm also it's kind of good. It's kind of okay to say stupid if you're not calling somebody it. So I took everything out there. I got dry boogie boogers. Around my nose usually. You're gonna get that around the nose. Hey, get off. Let's see what we got in this. Open, stupid bag. Sorry that I call you stupid bag. Sometimes I just do that because I actually can talk to things. If you've seen one of my videos, I probably said that. It's the little crunch girl. I don't even know her name. No, really, I don't know her name. Let's see what her name is. If she's rare. I don't even know what these freaking symbols mean. Guys, if you know what these colored dots mean, tell me in the comments below. Also, I don't know how to really see them or do them, so I might not be able to know. There's white, green. I know that white means coming. I don't know what if green means kind of rare and kind of not. I don't really know. I'm just gonna make green kind of rare and kind of not. Pink, I think rare. Ow! Don't do that, Eva. I'm gonna actually pink is rare, so I'm going. And then there's blue, which is ultra rare. And then there's golden. I probably didn't get a golden. There's super, duper, triple, loser. Yeah. I need to cry. I love you. I'm so crunch. Let me see if I can find her on this. Guys, when I find her, I'm going to skip this all, and when I find her, I'm going to say, oh, I found her. Crispy Chip. And she is rare. Rarish and rarish not. Yay. Also, maybe you can FaceTime with me if you know how and tell me what green means or what the rest of them. I don't need to know what white means. I know that's common, so you don't need to tell me. Good thing I got a little tiny. No, I hate you. I like doing that fun. Where's my other bag? Eva, I need that. Here.
Yay.
We got another bag. Ava had my other bag, and she was playing with it with my little giant flamingo. I just wanted to do that. It's fun. Funny. It's mostly not fun at all. It's mostly just funny. Yay. Yay. Oh my god, that's so adorable! I got double cheese. I like the cupcake. She has to be rare. Is she freaking rare? That's why I dropped her. She has to be freaking rare. I've never seen it before. Oh, there's a milkshake. She's called Milky Shake. And she... Oh my god, Kira actually got a rare one. I'm gonna go tell Kira that she got a rare one. Just kidding. Actually, I am. Ava, you can get the... like... Kira!
Hi, I'm Ava.
Ava. Now I need to have more of my popsicle. I didn't really have any. Good. Ava, move.
What?
You need to get them in their tins.
Hi, I'm Tina. I'm mother sick. I'm mother sick.
Let's use chips.
I'm sips. I'm sips.
Put them in my bottle. Now let's see if the piece of cake is rare.
Hey, I'm this.
I hope she's rare or green.
I'm
rare. Please be rare. Please be rare.
Sweet.
I've never ever
Miss
seen my whole life.
Sweet.
Wait. She loves
I'm Miss
like
That.
the
What's
sparkly.
much? I'm Miss.
The sparkly.
I'm that pie. Sweet. Oh, I got it.
So you kind of don't know some of their names. They really don't know any of their names.
Oh, I should have. Oh,
Oh! Stupid! Stupid! She's freaking common. Why did she have to be common? I thought she was freaking rare. She had to be freaking rare. Nobody ever got her before. Probably. Because I've never seen anybody got her before. She had to be freaking rare.
Okay.
Ava, can I please have those?
No.
Ava, then. No.
Ow.
Ava, you can play over here, okay?
No.
Oh, are you okay?
No.
Ava, Ben, you're not allowed to be in my video. Ben, you're not allowed to have those.
Not yet.
Mom, they won't get out of my video. She's mostly ruining my video. Ava, please get out of my video.
No.
Otherwise, I'm canceling it, and I don't want to.
No.
Ava, you could take those with you if you just leave and play with something else. Finally. Usually that happens when people bother me. I really need them for my freaking video. Ava, sometimes Ava's so freaking mean. That's why I kind of like her and kind of don't, because because she's usually really mean. She always freaking ruins my video. No, I'm okay. His eyeball's still off. I want my popsicle. Nobody else is allowed to have my popsicle. Popsicle! Okay. Ava took your little
Shopkins?
yeah, you need them for the video. So can you please try to get them back? But try to get all 3 of them, okay?
Okay. Ava, give me those Shopkins. Here, they're on the floor.
We're just waiting for Kira and looking at this little cute piece of cake. Oh my god, piece of cake! I hate you all! Why are you doing that? My whole family! I hate you! That is the creepiest one ever! Yay! I'm buying the piece of cake and eating it forever. No. I didn't really eat it. I didn't even put it in my mouth. I was just pretending. It's eight! Okay, bring them down! Down!
Hi, Mommy showed me where they were on the floor.
There's 4 new people in there. Sweet cannon boys. Sure. No.
Shopkins!
Yay! Thank you. Okay, you can be your 2 Shopkins.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, yeah. Okay, you can keep them happy while I go get some Barbies.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really need to get the Barbies anymore because I changed my mind.
Okay. She's about to shop the Shopkins, but then you change your mind. Oh, Maya, I didn't know you got the cheesecake. I didn't know what a cheesecake was.
I thought she had to be rare, but for some they were really stupid and made her not freaking rare. See, she's common. I want her to be freaking rare or not, or just freaking green. That was so mean of them. Yeah. Some of you might like that. I don't like that at all. Just stop.
That's a whipped cream.
This is not whipped cream.
It's a whipped cream shaky.
No? Okay, I know what her real name is. I don't remember her name. I know what it is, but I forgot. Can you please help me try to look for my piece of cake? I really need it.
Okay, I found it. It's cheesecake.
Oh. I wanted this for a freaking piece of pie!
You mean cake?
No!
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave the shop.
Okay, stop.
Maya, I can't see you.
I know because I was trying to eat some of my popsicle. Move! Move! Move!
Why do you want me to move?
Guys, I'm going to be bringing this down to do my video. There. We don't need that like that. There. Now I can see it. Now I can have more popsicle and I won't have to go freaking to the other side.
I'm Lady Shopkins. I'm Lady Shopkins.
Yeah, stop doing that. We're supposed to be doing the freaking video.
Oh, yeah.
Can't starting.
I'm Lady Shopkins.
Stop! You're not supposed to be doing that.
Okay. Hi, I'm Lady Shopkins.
Hey! Where's the popsicle in the store?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's not the store. Can you keep them in the tin? So I was trying to freaking find the store. Can't keep them in the tin!
I'm Shopkins. I'm Shopkins. I'm Shopkins. I'm Shopkins. I'm Shopkins. I'm Shopkins. Oh, do I see laser? You guys want to see laser?
Ew, those scaly animal things. Oh, here's the frog too. I wish that freaking blue frog wasn't broken. I could freaking use it.
I'm a new Shopkins.
Just stop. Ew.
Trashy's really go Shopkins.
No. Trashy don't like Shopkins because Shopkins aren't garbage.
Oh.
And Shopkins are friends to everyone. We're yucky people. We hate you.
What are you doing? We're little Shopkins.
Stop. You're supposed to go to the store.
Where's the store?
Right here. You're mommy. Stop. We're not supposed to be alone here. We go right in this kind of aisle. Can't move out of the camera. They can't see it then. Carry on the freaking camera. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm gonna drink. No! Whoa! Snake. I'm a 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 snake. Ooh, drink. Go away! Whoa! Whoa! Ooh, Chip, get out of the way. I'm a frog. I'm a frog. Ooh, cake. Ooh, care. Now I gotta go get a person. Get milk. Okay. Can't stop. Stop, Kira. Honey.
Yes, Mommy?
Would you like some cheesecake?
Yeah. But it's made out of cheese.
Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Get the shopping bag. Where's the shopping bag? Dang it.
Here, Maya.
Sorry guys, let me just plug something back in.
Ow, my back.
I mean my body.
Here, Maya. Here's the shopping bag.
Thanks. Doesn't he have to freaking wait? Ew, popsicle. It's like I'm distracted by my popsicle. Guys, I'm sorry that I've been really mean today. I'm having a very rough day. Nobody will bother. Nobody will leave me alone. Just a really bad day. Dang it!
You just tell me what.
I don't care!
A little pretty.
Just stop! You need to stop doing that. Let's put her in the basket. Mommy, I gotta go to the bathroom. Bye-bye. Let's go home. But I'm gonna buy more stuff. Yay! I buy the whole freaking store! Yay! He's acting like a little kid.
Give me a little lollipop.
Stop! You need to stop doing stuff like that. Where's the freaking lid? Okay, did you take the lid? Oh. You hidden it. Why?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Ow.
Yes, I did. Ow, you just hurt me in the freaking foot. You're so stupid.
Just kidding. Okay, you're not really stupid.
Doing my business. Dum-dee-doo, dum-dee-dum-dum-doo. Ew! That's hot now, Kelly!
Oh, honey, why are you out of the toilet?
The toilet's out, Kelly! Get in there! Ow! There you go.
Thanks.
Wow, this is rainbow taco. Little rainbow taco. That's rainbow taco.
Yep. Okay, you can have the rest of my popsicle. Wait. I think my mind. Dang it.
Can we share it?
Now you can have the rest. No, really, you can have the rest. Let's eat the rest. Also, okay, you might want to go back upstairs with that, okay?
Okay. Bye, guys.
Guys, I'm going to actually change into something else because my dress is being a really bad mess right now.
Mom, I said I can have the rest of her popsicle. Yeah. No?
Guys, Dad, wait until I come back. Dang it! Why is that thing so stupid? Just kidding. Computer and camera. You're not really stupid. I just said that. Guys, I'm ready. And I'm going to get the screen back.
Come back, Screen. We love you. I'm addicted out. Ew! Yucky! She didn't flush the toilet. All she did was eat her poopy and pee. Then was eat her doo-doo and pee-pee.
Guys, do you know what doo-doo means? It means poo-poo. Yucky poop!
Now I have to eat it. Nom. Bleh. Nom. Yay, my puke. I'm doing this. This one forever. Whee! Dang it! The lid doesn't fit. Oh, it can't fit in. Dang it. Baby, you're stuck at the toilet forever. Yay!
Time for some chips. Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Hello. Yeah. Ah! Bring you back in some more. Help me sing. Time to comb my hair. Time to comb my hair. Time to comb my fur. Comb my fur. Comb my fur. Ah! Ah! Right there. I'm just gonna have my shake. Of course! There's a lie behind this affair. I don't know. I'm being shaken. Bye, I'm back.
Thanks. Yeah, okay, you can go turn on the TV if you want to.
But I don't know how.
Okay, I'll show you.
Oh, Maya, I don't think I want to.
So I'm just going to show you quickly. If you want to do it by yourself down here and upstairs. Wait, upstairs having the freaking stupid remote. Stupid remote, you're not stupid. I just said that for some reason. I thought you were stupid. Because I don't like saying that for some reason. Sorry, I thought that you have to wait. I'm trying to find the freaking remote.
How would you come entertained?
What?
How would you come entertained?
Oh, I found it. then you press the one with the C and the V, and then you press power with this red button.
Okay,
so
I'll try it.
Yeah, you can just press power, you can press TV power, or you can go power TV. So, do you want to turn it on?
Yeah, I'll turn it on. Let me check.
Okay. Yeah, you gotta make it funny back. So that's TV with this.
Okay.
I made 40. Okay, you press TV power. Okay, you're too close. Okay, you gotta press TV power. See? Sometimes only power works. Sorry guys that you had to wait. Kira was having a problem. She couldn't freaking be. She was being stupid. Okay, what?
Gumball's on.
I know. I don't care. Piece of cake. Oh! No. What?
Do this right now with you.
What?
Can I just be the video helper?
Yes. But you need to get out of the way. Stop. I'm going to this side. Father, do you need the rest of my popsicle?
Yes.
Okay. Kira, I don't need that. Okay, you're not being helpful right now.
Sorry. So well.
My,
do they need a shopping list?
No!
Okay.
Stop asking me stuff. Guys, I'm gonna kill you! No! Please! Why run you in the garbage? Where's the stupid garbage? I forgot the stupid garbage can! Okay, please don't rip that.
I know.
Don't rip it anymore. Don't
Listen
look
to
rip
it.
Kira, give your butt to yourself.
I did!
Kira, you didn't give it to you.
Yes, I did.
No, you need to give it to yourself and put it in your face and on your whole body until you get to your butt. No cheating.
Nah.
Stop it.
Nah.
You're just doing your face.
Nah. Nah.
There. I think there's hair on it.
I don't mean why. In my bed. Oh! The bubble.
Hi guys. There's some new people in town. Should we get them? Wait. Should we get them? Sure. Sure. Shall I get them? Oh, sure. You are about to be dead. No! Yeah! Ah! I'm sitting on you! God, wait! You aren't allowed! You're not allowed in the video, remember? You're only a video helper.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna eat you.
Lipstick.
Dang it! Stupid hair. Stupid hair that fell off. Hair. I have to say that. I have to freaking say that. Sometimes. It's my duty. Not like the kind of duty that when you go potty, kind of this like my kind of like work. Or I have to say it some that kind of way.
I'm Tootie.
I'm Tootie. But Tootie. Mommy. No. I'm gonna eat you. And thank you. I took my eyes. Ew! There's somebody that's... Cat, don't do that.
Not really. I didn't really bite it.
I know, but I just didn't want you to do that. Cat, you got a fart. Cat,
No.
you got a fart stuck in yourself.
No,
Yes, you do.
I don't.
You gotta go poop.
No, I don't.
I'm pretending you do.
Okay.
Ooh.
Are we poopy?
Don't say that to the audience when the audience is here. I know, but I don't want you to say it right now. No! Oh, stop.
Ow.
Yeah, I meant to, because I want to keep the shotguns in there. Oh. Oh. Ew! Ow! Oh.
Yeah. The shopping bag. Here's the shopping bag.
Giant bird,
Don't let her-
stop, Kira! Giant bird! They already know what everything is. Giant bird! Stop! You are ruining my video.
Sorry.
You are only a helper, not a doer. Get out! Get out! These ones are stupid. And these ones are the dumb ones. Here. And bird is the dumb one. Come on, get out! Stupid. This is so stupid. This one won't even come out. This one's freaking stupid. And it's freaking stuck, I think.
What's this number?
Stop! You're not helping. You're gonna be out of this thing if you don't stop doing that stuff. Sorry everyone. What the? I clicked it and then turned off. No. Okay. Yes, I kindly got you out. Whoa. Oh, we're being put in prison from a freaking stupid mouse. This is not prison. This is my living room. There. Now I can eat you when I'm ready to. Rabbit. destroy a bird! I think being eaten by a giant stupid bird. Ribbit. Another word. Another worm. I'm a snake.
Let me go.
Making the house. I'm not a worm eater. Wah! Why did everybody eat me?
Glad.
I'm making the house. Oh. I'm just a lizard. Why does anybody always eat lizard? I never had lizard when I was little. Everybody, I just wanna, everybody watching this. Kira, everybody watching this, I'm just gonna ask you if you ever ate lizard. Tell me if you ever ate lizard. Dum dum dum! I never ate lizard. I think it tastes gross. But I think the tail tastes good. That's why it stores all its food. All its food. Lizards in bed. Lizards in your bed. There are lizards in her bed. Well, time for me to sleep. Sleep. I know it's Popeye the Sailor. That's all I really remember. I haven't watched Popeye for a very long time. Dang it! Why are you on me? Ah! Mommy! Lizard! Lizard in the bed! Ah! Lizard in the bed! Ah! Die! 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 Snacks! 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 Let's drive away. Rabbit. Why are you driving away? Ah! Die! Well, that's the end of the episode today. I'm very, very tired out. But I'm gonna keep playing!
Can you please see my video?
No, I don't want to. Die! Get out of here! Yes! The horse is finally dead! I'm tiger. Ah! Nom nom nom! How did freaking stupid mice kill me? I'm a human, I'm a human. Ah! Die! Die! Die, doggy! Die! Kitty! Kitty! Please die! And this is how it's gonna end off for the 2 mice. Nom 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 nom. They're being eaten by a giant bird. Why? Why do you kill us? Bleh. That's the end of this episode today, everyone. Kya? They put over there. Oh, that's the end of the episode today, everyone. It was a very long episode. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm very tired out. So, I'll maybe do another, this maybe be a half, video, since it's so long. So it might, and I don't know, so it might not. So I don't really know. So, bye everybody. Like and subscribe, please. If it's your first time watching this, please comment down below. And like and subscribe down below. Also, check out my channel, my whole channel. Bye. Can't say bye. Can't say bye.
Bye. I was moving my sheets.
Can't stop. So let's stop recording. Bye bye.